MCQ 20 is a salt preparation question. We're looking with the reagents given to us what's the maximum number of salts that could actually be prepared. We'll try to take a look at what are the possible items that can appear and then perhaps comment on the yield of the reaction, right, to see whether does the answer fit. So we're given supply of lead carbonate. This is considered to be a solid. Copper carbonate, which is also considered to be a solid. Nitric acid, aqueous, as well as sodium hydroxide that is considered to be aqueous as well. Alright, so at first glance here, let's take a look at carbonate production first. So with lead nitrate, lead 2 nitrate and copper 2 nitrate, they can definitely react with my nitric acid. This is my acid carbonate reaction. So first one here, lead carbonate plus nitric acid. This will actually provide me lead 2 nitrate plus water plus carbon dioxide. I'll just omit the balancing here, but just to tell you that this reaction is totally viable because the salt I'm producing is actually considered to be aqueous. So if my original reactant is solid and the salt I'm producing is actually aqueous, there will not be any form of tough insoluble protective coating. So this is my solid lead carbonate. So the production of lead nitrate actually causes a soluble salt actually to be produced. This is going to be lead nitrate. So it doesn't affect the yield of the reaction. So I have one salt over here. Now second potential salt here is going to be copper 2 carbonate reacting with nitric acid. And this will lead to the production of copper 2 nitrate plus water plus CO2. Again, the state symbol of solid, and AQ means that there will not be any layers, alright, that will be forming over the salt that can prevent reaction. So in this case here, my starting solid is copper 2 carbonate. The copper 2 nitrate that's actually produced at the end of the day does not coat over the layer, right? Just a little bit of the typo here. This will be lead 2 nitrate salt, while this is going to be copper 2 nitrate salt. So not an issue. Alright, so our third case over here, we'll be looking at a titration reaction of an acid and an alkali. This is usually used to make group 1 salts or ammonium salts. So nitric acid plus sodium hydroxide. So titration, we'll get sodium nitrate plus water. So the third salt to be produced over here is going to be my sodium nitrate that we are seeing out from here. So from all these items that's actually being seen, the total maximum number of salts that could be prepared will be going at a number of 3.